Good morning. So today I want to share with you a little something different, and it's a video that I recorded between myself and a fellow RV tech. His name is Jarrod, and he's got his own business up in Kentucky. So together we collaborated on this project that he got involved with. So a marketing company reached out to him asking him to install a solar system on an RV. Now, what does a marketing company have to do with RVs? Well, this RV was not built to be a recreational vehicle for someone to live in, but this RV was actually built from the ground up to be a mobile engineering classroom. So the RV would be brought around to different school districts to showcase different technology, 3D printing, engineering, where kids can get hands-on with this equipment, and it can just be pulled to the different classrooms. So Jarrod and we collaborated on some of the system design aspects. I helped with some of the system programming and system commissioning. I was able to draw up the system diagrams, which are all now proudly displayed in the RV itself by the solar system, as well as they also purchased my generator start-stop box. And so in this video, one, we wanted to showcase the Victron remote monitoring capabilities, but also for myself, wanted to showcase like it is doable, this remote start of a generator from anywhere in the world. And the piece the thing that ties those two together, the solar system and the generator, is this generator start-stop box that I sell. And basically it's the interface between the Victron equipment and your generator, because otherwise those two don't talk natively. So we wanted to showcase how it works, that it does work. The people in the marketing company are just loving it, that it works so well that they can remotely monitor their system, but also if they needed to also remotely start this generator. And I've been watching their system lately, and it's just cool. You can see where the battery state of charge goes down, down, down. All of a sudden you can see the generator kick on and the batteries get charged. So two things to point out quickly here is on all the systems that I design and I install for my clients, one, include the Victron remote monitoring capabilities, because I want to be able to support my customers after the fact, and I know your system, so I'm going to be the best person to help you out. And then two is, if your RV has a generator, I also include that generator start-stop, because I don't want my customers to have to worry about, do I have enough power? What's going to happen if the battery gets low? So, and I just trying to give my customers the best experience possible when it comes to their solar system. So without further ado, let's watch this video. All right, Jarrod, give us an overview of that system that you have there.
So we are inside of a mobile classroom. It's an engineering classroom, custom built on a fifth wheel chassis. It's not been retrofit. It is built for a classroom. It will have computers, 3D printers. It has big screen TVs, 3 rooftop air conditioners, 1 small room style window unit to cool the mechanical room. We'll have wireless internet and wired internet. It does have a 12.5 diesel Onan generator, and we've got a double 10,000 Quattro and 8 Battleborn GC3 batteries. It's a big system. It's a really big system. And one of the things we wanted to do was to add the ability to auto start the generator based on the batteries and where they were, and also a remote start. And so Andrew and I had met, we talked about this, and so we purchased one of Andrew's systems, and so we have that here installed right now. I think, I'm not sure. Can you see it right there?
Yep, can see it.
It's probably not my best angle, but there it is. Got it wired up today, and got it tested. I've started it several times here, but I wanted to see if maybe you want to start it from Florida. So
yeah, let's do that.
Yep. Try that out there from your phone, see if we can get this thing going.
Alrighty, so yeah, as Jarrod said, I'm in Florida, down in the Keys at the moment. And so yeah, I have access to the system. that he said. I can bring it up on my phone in Victron remote monitoring. And so to start it, he's got it configured. You can see right there. And then if I go like this to start, and then Jarrod is going to show you the box there. And there it goes. It's priming. And is it started, Jarrod?
Starting right now. Generator is right underneath me.
Okay.
So you're probably going to hear some of that rumbling, a little hum in the background. Generator just started. All remote. It's pretty cool.
Very good. That's awesome. All the way from Florida in Kentucky.
Florida to Kentucky. Technology. And now he can also shut it down.
Yep, let's shut it down. So here, stop. And it's going to count down. It's going to verify you want to shut it and then stop. And then there you go.
There it went.
So yeah, that's a quick demonstration of starting the generator remotely from anywhere. As long as it's connected to the internet, the system can remotely monitor it, can remotely start the generator. So it's a pretty cool box. As Jarrod said, it's a 12.5 diesel Onan generator. This box has been tested with the Onan gas and propane generators. I have the Onan 5500 in my coach. I've installed it on some smaller coaches as well, and it works great. My clients love it so far. So
Yep. And it's small, compact. I guess a total of about 6, 7 wires. And I'm sure Andrew would help somebody if they wanted to purchase the box. I'm sure he would install it for you. In the case here, I'm also a certified technician and solar technician, and so he shipped it to me, and we installed it here. A nice compact unit. It's clean. It fits into the system integration here. It looks like it's supposed to be there. We've had a few status meetings and this afternoon with the project manager and a shop manager and all, and they're amazed that a person can start and stop this from anywhere in the world. Their end user will be able to run this coach, but we'll also be able to step in and tweak and or assist remotely through this system. And it's just a neat time. Andrew and I met a couple of years ago in Texas, and then met again last winter. And those are no accidents. I don't believe in accidents. I think Andrew can say that we both believe in divine appointments.
We both believe in the Lord. The Lord can orchestrate many wonderful appointments.
This opportunity for us has been a fantastic blessing. It's my customer is local to me, so I'm driving 1.5 miles, 2 miles to their shop. They have a presence in the United States and in Canada. I think they even have a few assets in some other countries. So it's a great opportunity for us too. And appreciate you helping me out with the project. Andrew was able to do some drawings for us, consult with us, and of course build the box and ship that. He's helped us with some programming. So, I don't own Andrew's business. He doesn't own mine. We're both independent business owners, but we're working together to help one another and help others. And we're having a great time doing it.
It's been a great time doing it. It's been a great helping you out. It's just great to be part of this cool project that's going to have a lot of eyes on it. So
yeah, lots of people are going to see it. They're going to want to show it off, and they're going to see a little bit of Kentucky and a little bit of Florida, and golly, some Netherlands. Our panels came from Vietnam. I guess it's a worldwide project.
Worldwide. It's a huge project. Yep.
Yes, sir. Appreciate your help, Andrew.
Hey, you're welcome. Thank you very much.